Hi, welcome to Cyberside. In this video, I'll show you how to brute force DVWA using Burp suite in Kali Linux. Let's get started. Before I continue though, I strictly want you to know that hacking is illegal and this video is for educational purposes only. All actions demonstrated in this video are performed in a controlled environment using tools that are legally available for ethical hacking and cybersecurity learning. Okay, right now we are seeing DVWA website in Firefox. So in this video what we'll do is we will try to solve the brute force challenge of DVWA of low security level. So we'll go to DVWA security here and change the security level to low and submit. Okay, that's done. Now we can go to brute force, and here if you see we've got a view help box here. If you click here, then you will also see the security levels and instructions how we can do the attacking. And for low security level, it says there hasn't been placed any security measures, so that makes things easier. So let me cross this and let's start the attack. And we start doing that by going to the extensions menu here and enabling Foxy proxy. That's done. And by the way, if you do not know how to set up Foxy proxy in Firefox, then I'll paste a link in my description. I've made a video before. You can watch the video and set up your Foxy proxy. Now let's open Burp suite. Okay, Burp suite is ready and open. Now go to proxy heading and you can click on this intercept off button. After this, go to Firefox once again and you can enter random username and password here. Okay, now click login and the traffic has been intercepted. Now you can see this request section here and you can right click on this area and you can click send to intruder. After we do that, you can see it, the intruder heading has been highlighted. Now click on it, and now here what we'll do is we will set up the payload. So first of all, let's find username and password, and I can see it here. Username is ASDSS and the password is SDCST, which we had typed earlier. Now let's highlight and mark these credentials. Let me highlight username and add marker. Now let me highlight password and add marker. After this, let's change our attack type. Right now it's sniper attack. Let's change it to cluster bomb attack. Now in the payloads option, we will choose word list for both username and password. So first of all, go to payload position and change it to username, which is ASDSS, and in the payload type we will change it to runtime file. And now we will select a word list file. Here we need to find a word list file of Metasploit, so we'll go to Metasploit. Go to user, go to share. After that, here search for word list folder. I can see it here. Click on it, and here I can see Metasploit as well, so double click on it and we'll find a users txt file, and it's here. So we'll use this as ttp default users.txt file. Double click on it and it has been set. Now let's do the same thing for password as well. So in the payload position, change it to password, which is stcst. Now change payload type to runtime file, and we will select the word list file. And for password, we will choose http default pass.txt. Double click on it, and everything is ready now. So now let's click start attack, and the attack will start. Click OK, and you can see here Burp Suite has started attacking. And how we can find the correct credential is based on this length of the content. So the content length which has the highest value is probably our correct answer or our right credential. So let me filter it, and I can see it here. Most of the combinations have 5030 content length, and there's one set of credential which has the content length of 5072. So this one has the highest content length, and the credentials are admin and password. So this must be the right credentials. Okay, let me try it here. Admin, password. Login. And yes, we have been successfully logged in. That means the attack worked and we got the right credentials for DVWA.